Hello, I am Dr. Gaurav Patel, consultant dermatologist at Astha Skin and Laser Clinic, Ahmedabad. Today I am going to share hair care tips to prevent the hair loss. Nowadays hair loss is very common problem and it happens in very early age. There are many reasons for the hair loss like heredity, hormonal, nutritional, drug related, disease related or stress related. We have to identify the reason and do the treatment accordingly. But there are some very useful tips which you can follow easily in day-to-day life and prevent the excessive hair loss. So hair are very weak and liable to break when they are wet. So you should avoid combing your hair when they are wet. For combing the hair, you should use only wide tooth comb. Avoid tight hairstyle like the ponytails because it pulls the hair from the root and make it liable to the hair loss. Now come to the second tips. You should do shampoo 2 to 3 times a week depending on your hair type. If you have very dry hair, do 2 times a week. If you have oily hair, you can do 3 times a week. Shampoo keep our hair and scalp clean and clear. You should use only mild shampoo which have no paraben or no sulfur. You should avoid very hot water to wash your hair because hot water make the hair dry and brittle. Third tips. You should avoid chemical and heating process on the hair. Process like hair straightening, rebonding, curling, perming or ironing of the hair damage the hair sheet which contains the keratin and cause the excessive hair loss. You should avoid frequent use of the hair dryer because it causes dehydration of the hair and cause disturbance in the pH balance of the hair. Now come to the 4 tips. Nowadays stress is one of the common reasons for the hair loss. You should avoid excessive tension and anxiety. Avoid smoking and alcohol is very beneficial to hair. Stress causes hormonal imbalance in the body and cause the excessive hair loss. Doing exercise, yogasana, pranayam and meditation is very helpful for the hair. Yogasana, particularly Sirsasana and the Sarvagasana is the best for the hair. And in pranayam, Anulom Vilom and Kapalbhati is good for the hair. Using oil in the hair is beneficiary. It provides the moisturizer effect. Oil massage when do properly can increase the blood circulation in the scalp and help to grow the hair. You can use coconut oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil or amla oil. Do not use the hairstyling product like the wax and gel too frequently. Now come to tip number 6. Most common reason for the hair loss in female is related to nutrition. Excessive dieting and extreme weight loss are 2 common hair loss reasons, particularly in the youngster. You must pay attention to diet, particularly protein rich diet. Eat bowl full of sprouted pulses 3-4 times a week. It is good source of protein. Take regularly green leafy vegetables like the spinach, broccoli, methi, etc., which are the very rich source of the iron, vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds are very rich source of omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B1 and B6. You can take almonds, walnuts, flaxseed for the better hair growth. Whole grains like wheat, beans are very good source of biotin, iron and zinc. You can also take carrots, berries, sweet potato, milk, fish, meat, eggs depending your food will. Now come to the next tip. UV radiation of the sunlight damages the hair badly. It causes dry, dull and discolored hair. It lightens your color of the hair. So you should wear a cap or you can use the umbrella to protect your hair. There are special products available with the SPF to protect the hair from the sunlight. Now come to the last tip. Chlorinated water of the swimming pool damages your hair. It makes the hair dry and dull. You should rinse your hair with the clean water before and after swimming. Use the swim cap to protect the harmful effect of the chlorinated water to hair. These are the simple tips which are very easy to follow in our day-to-day life. Even after doing all these things, if your hair loss is persist, I advise you to consult a qualified dermatologist. To receive more informative and educative video like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.